Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very important menu that maybe your children will love it. Today I want to show you how I prepare one sachet of indomie with ugu leaf. So guys can see the ugu leaf, prepare, cut and wash very clean. Here is fresh pepper and onion. It's just a short video. It's not a long video, it's a very short video. So I just want to show you guys so that if you want to prepare it at home, you can use the quantity you like. You can use more than one sachet of indomie and prepare it for your children. So you guys know that vegetable is very good in the body, especially fresh vegetable like ugu leaf. When you buy ugu leaf from the market, you wash it very well and slice it and use it and prepare any of your food. You will enjoy it, you will love it. So that is what I'm going to use and prepare this one sachet of indomie to make a small meal for myself. So you know I love vegetable too much. Anything I prepare in my house, I always put vegetable. I cannot put leaf. I can't cook without leaf. Anytime I go to the market, I always buy leaf. Anything I prepare, even a rice or soup or anything, I always put leaf, vegetable leaf, because I really love vegetable leaf. And now you guys know that vegetable is very good in the body. Vegetable leaf is very good in the body. When you eat leaf every time, and use and prepare your meal every time, at least you will look young and your skin will look very fresh and you enjoy yourself. If you look at yourself in the mirror, you will love yourself. So I advise you guys that using vegetable leaf, can use ugu leaf, can use spinach. So it's very good in the body. This is what I want to use and prepare this one sachet of indomie. Keep washing. I've already put the water on the fire because I don't want to waste time. I want to prepare it sharp so that I will eat. Keep washing. So guys, let's put the indomie on the fire. Then you put the spice. Only the spice is okay. No need of season it. Another again, add pepper. Now put the onion. So you allow the indomie to done small before you add the leaf. So I will cover it and leave it like 5 minutes before I add the leaf. So guys, let's put the ugu now. Wow, this is my soup, this is my food, it's special food. So guys can see, you don't ever eat ugu leaf with noodles, with indomie. You don't ever eat it like this before. Try it and taste it and see, but you will love it. So I'll leave it like 3 minutes. Now I'll off the light because I don't want the ugu to be soft. Wow, so guys can see it's done now. Now off the light. So let me dish it in the plate and see it very clear. Wow. So guys can see how beautiful this indomie with ugu leaf be. It's very yummy. So I will advise you guys to try it at home. You will love it. The indomie, you will love it. You can do plenty quantity you want, but this one just one sachet that I prepare. I just want to show you guys how yummy it is. So try it in your home and see, you will love it. Just try it. Let me just test it. It's very nice. So that is all for indomie and ugu leaf. 1 sachet of Indomie with ugu leaf. So please try it and see. You love it. Please subscribe to my channel. Comment for it. Share it to a loved one. See you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.